Welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today we'll show you how to resize columns or rows equally in Excel. Let's dive in. First, resizing columns equally. Select the columns you want to resize. Click on the first column letter, then drag across to select additional columns, or hold down the Ctrl key, CMD on Mac, and click each column letter. Right-click on one of the selected column letters. Choose Column Width from the context menu. Enter the desired width value and click OK. All selected columns will be resized to this width. Second, using the Format menu. You can also use the Format menu to resize columns or rows equally. Select the columns or rows you want to resize. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click on Format. Choose Column Width or Row Height. Enter the desired width or height value and click OK. Third, using the dragging method. Select the columns or rows you want to resize by clicking and dragging across the column letters or row numbers. Hover your cursor over the boundary line between any of the selected columns or rows until it changes to a double-headed arrow. Click and drag the boundary line to the desired size. All selected columns or rows will resize equally as you drag. This same method will work for resizing rows as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.